Holy moly. We got more. We got another delivery load. Arms everywhere. Same arms pumped out of the factory. Same arms as they have on the sofa. They give you 2 of everything. And they've got these like holes on the outside. One there and one way down there, because they can be reversible, so they don't have to think. They just give you 2 and they match everything. And that's a new chair, another chair, back cushions, bottom cushions. My house was a tip a minute ago. You should have seen it. Where am I? I'm here. Can you see me? I'll show you what's in my truck. We just did battle with plastic strapping and plastic wrap and cardboard. Let me just show you. You have to have a truck if you want to be self-sufficient. Look at that. That is full. Full. About 8 inches deep. And in here, plastic strapping, recycle, they take it, and a bit of a massive bag of plastic. What joy, what bliss. And what's this? Oh, they were in my truck earlier today, all rolled up like a couple of jelly rolls. It's amazing. That's for the daybed. Down here. More cardboard we haven't even opened. That apparently is the Hemnes daybed. That'd make a good video, wouldn't it? And here's the Alex desk in pieces. And the drawers, which my daughter put together. Her first little construction, Ikea style. Proud woman. Christmas Eve, and I am working on these chairs. I'm going to put them together. I'm like a little Christmas elf, and I'm doing it for the child in me because they're my Christmas gift. So I'll be working on that lot. And this baby. And I shall be putting covers on, and then I'll get back and show you when it's all done. I'm watching Ocean's 11. And then I cleaned up this bloodbath that was on here. It was a bit here and a bit here and a bit of blood there off my thumb. Got the Band-Aid on. I used some OxyClean on that. And I don't even want to tell you how hard it was to get this on. But I did. I got it on. Flat side down, puffy side up. Give it a bit of a nudge with the old knee. Get that in. Get the old blood bath in. Done. Done. Put a cover on it. Done. I shall sit. It's a firm seat, I must say. It's a very firm seat. But you know what? I love the look so much, I will take beauty over comfort this time. And it's not that it's uncomfortable, it's just not sink into comfort. Yeah. Ikea. Slip-covered shabby chic farmhouse. Yeah, I love it. Here's what it looks like. The daybed. It was a lot of work for my team. I wasn't involved. I had a team on this. No good instructions. A couple of little pegs missing. She's going to be a dream, and I'm pretty sure that's kind of a king size once you get the two twins together. And there it is with mattresses in. It's filling the room. I can hardly back myself into a corner to show you how fabulous it is. Look at that nice, you know, wainscoting effect. Beadboard, that's what it is. So gorgeous. Lots of guests, 8 kids at least on that. Oh my goodness. Would you look at this action? Looks like Ikea threw up in here. Look at that. That is a big cushy seat for a bunch of visitors. 3 drawers. It's nice once it's made, but making it, woo, doggy. You need the dexterity of a monkey and the brain of a dolphin. Patience of a couple of saints. Oh yeah. Alex's desk. Hemnes daybed. Whoop whoop. Back upstairs, it's all systems go. This is the wind up to the build project. I have gone and put a whole bunch of covers on this so it looks messy as heck. Because I'm a little nervous about the whiteness, but I will get used to it. And it is winter and we're just being cozy. Or as Megan would say, cozy wozy. Ektorp, Ektorp, Ektorp. All right.